I am really excited to share with you one of my favorite techniques for whole body health and wellness that is going to improve your skin. If you have acne, bumps, brown spots, age spots, liver spots, congested tissue, waste, dry skin, irritated skin, inflammation, this is a huge sign that your skin is not detoxing properly. And so one of the most effective tools to do this is to incorporate lymphatic drainage techniques into your everyday practice. I recommend at least once a day, and if not, 3 or 4 times a day. It takes about 2 minutes in the morning, 2 minutes at night, and if you can even do a mini version of it twice in the middle of the day when you're at work, you will build more energy and really help to nourish your whole body health during the day. So I'm going to show you the points we're going to do. Basically, we're first going to start with the termini, which is if you're taking your 2 fingers and going above and below the clavicle, and you're just going to rub for about 15 to 20 seconds on the termini, and that opens up this lymph node right here on the chest. And then we're going to work just below our ear on the neck, below the ear and the jawline. And I like a tapping action here. Then we're going to work in our armpits. You're basically going to be grabbing and pumping your armpit in towards your heart. And then after, you're going to kind of be pumping and fluttering the fluid and the tissue again, kind of up and in towards the heart. Then you're going to work right at your belly button, and you're going to be going upwards. And then you're going to be grabbing your wrists, kind of do an Indian burn, squeezing the wrists, both sides. Don't mind me, I'm in my linen PJs because I'm about ready to go to bed and I wanted to share this with you. And I do not like to do this treatment and then wear any kind of synthetic clothing. And so I don't wear anything unless it's organic cotton or flannel around the time that I'm doing this. So after the wrists, we are going to go to the lymph nodes right here in the groin. So you can just do some patting or some rubbing. Then we're going to work on our kidneys. So just above your underwear line, you're going to be tapping. And then we are going to work behind our knee and just pumping this tissue here. And that's how we do it. So join me and enjoy. And that's it. We have activated our detox and waste detoxification systems in our body. Like I said, we can do this really fast. At least start once a day. And if you can work your way up to a little more, this is an incredible practice for your skin health and your whole body health. And get a linen moo with me. And it was really great to see you. Have an organically beautiful night.